My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing between the traditional Ipsy Glam bag and the Ipsy Glam bag plus for the month of February. So if you would like to see what I got in both of these boxes, see if it's really worth the value, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Who needs a man on Valentine's Day when you have beauty subscription boxes? Like, honestly. Like, what I get in these, so much better than anything a man could pick out. Trust and believe. Alright, so traditional Ipsy, $12. Ipsy Plus, $25. But, okay, so when I used to be able to go into my Ipsy account and say I'm not like happy with the products I've been receiving, and then they would give you a list of like 15 or so products, and you would either say yes, this is something I would want, or no, this is something I wouldn't want. And I was really happy with my glam bags, you know, after I would do that. But I'm not finding it when I go into my account. If anyone knows about that, let me know in the comments below. Like, is that still an option? Like, are we still able to do that? And why can't I find it? Alright, so I'm going to start with the OG Ipsy. So let's get into it. Ooh, the bag feels really soft. I can't see it, but it's, ooh, that's pretty. It's like a quilted kind of mauve. Ooh, it's really soft. Like satiny bag with like a purple zipper. Pretty. There's something, ooh, you know I love my brushes. Alright, the first product is, ooh, hello. This is the Beauty Crop. The F203 powder brush. Ooh, that could definitely be used for powder. It could also be used for like bronzer, possibly even brush. It's really soft. I love how it has the ombre colors of blue and purple. It has it on the handle and on the bristles. Ooh, I really like this. I love getting brushes. All right, let me see how much that brush is. All right, so that retails for $13. Oh, that's not bad for a powder brush. Not bad at all. All right, the next product. Okay, we have this Murad Renewing Eye Cream. Ultra nourishing eye cream firms, brightens, and targets signs of aging. Active peptides and retinol increase elasticity and visibly minimize lines and wrinkles. Okay, I wasn't expecting it to have retinol in it, but it does. Not all of the eye creams I use have retinol in them, but I do prefer the ones that do. Oh, such a big box for such a little sample. Oh my god, it's itty bitty. So a full-size version is $82. Wow. This is 0.14 ounces. Next, we have this half-caked super glazed in slate work. Oh, it's really cute packaging. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so what does it say? This may be our most kissable lip formula yet. Blah, 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 blah. Give your go-to nude lipstick an instant upgrade by layering this peachy nude gloss right on top. So this is full size and it retails for $10. Oh, that's not bad like, at all. So it's a nude gloss. Let's see. Oh, I actually do like that. It looks a little dark in the tube, but swatching it, that is definitely a color that I would rock. Huh. It has a slight shimmer in there, but when you swatch it, it's not noticeable. Next, we have this Dr. Frog Water Full Charge All-in-One. Okay, it says, if you're all about using skincare that's streamlined and effective, then this all-in-one moisturizer is about to be your new best friend. The hyaluronic acid and ceramide-based formula functions as a toner, lotion, essence, and cream to give you plump, hydrated, and dewy skin in one step. Okay. 0.5 ounces, and full size of this retails for $18. I mean, I'm not super excited about it, but... Alright, and the last product is this IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better Primer Oil-Free Makeup Gripping Base and Pore Refiner and Hydrator. Okay, not only does this multitasking primer keep your makeup looking fresh, it's packed with good-for-you ingredients like bark and ginger root extract that get your skin healthy and glowy from the inside out. The oil-free formula hydrates and helps refine pores, plus it's so light you'll barely feel it on your skin. Okay, so full size of this retails for $39. I'm really excited to try this. It's saying that it's hydrating plus blurs pores, so those are two of the things that I look for in my primers, two of the things that I desperately need: hydration and blurring pores. So, you know, in IT Cosmetics, for the most part, I'm done with IT Cosmetics. There will be the occasional product that I just do not like from them, but the majority of the products that I have tried, I have liked. Alright, that's not a bad Ipsy at all. Alright, let's get into my banged up Ipsy Plus. The UPS man is probably like, fucking deliver packages to this girl every single day. Really? Does she need so much stuff? Yes, yes I do. Feel the love. Will you be our Valentine? I'll be my own Valentine. So, do they not include any sort of pamphlet now? They were including a pamphlet, but it had no prices. Now I'm not even seeing anything. Okay, so this month we get a regular sized bag. It's different than the regular Ipsy, but usually they send one that's a little bit bigger. But it's pretty. It's kind of like a light pink metallic with a purple zipper. And it's purple inside. Okay. The first product is, I don't know how to pronounce this. Mayal Clearly Brilliant Tinted Lips. Okay, and it says this is Nectar. Oh, so it's like a lip crayon. It's a pretty color. I'm guessing this is going to be a more sheer lip product. So most like crayons are. Not all of them, but yeah, it seems pretty sheer. But that color is really pretty. Okay. That's something that I'm definitely going to try and I'm looking forward to trying. I've never heard of that brand though. Okay, next we have this Apothecary Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. Use 2 to 3 times per week, blah, blah, blah. It just says pomegranate extract is high in antioxidant activity and aims to smooth and brighten the skin. That's all it really says about it. This is, once again, a brand that I have never heard of. It's 1 fluid ounce. You know, I'm not gonna open it because I have been like living for my Ole Henriksen Goodnight Glow as a sleeping mask, so I will put this in a giveaway. We have BioRace, another brand that I've never heard of. Le Serum, a hydrating serum. Moisturizing and enhancing. The all-day hydrating serum for moisturizing and improving the skin complexion. Okay. This is also 1 ounce. I have so many serums. And I'm not too excited to try one from a brand that I haven't heard of. So this will most likely be going in a giveaway as well. I'm usually like super excited opening my Ipsy Plus. I'm like squealing like a child, but this month, Alright, next we have LaRousse. Once again, another brand I have not heard of. So this is a brush set. Ooh, this for foundation. Yes. So let me show you the handle. It's like rubberized, but then it's textured as well. And it says LR335 flat foundation. Ooh, oh, those are really soft. Yes. This, I have a feeling, is going to be really good for foundation. Okay. Then we have an angled contour. So I would probably use this for blush. I don't really contour, so most of the angled brushes I will use for blush. Then they give you a couple eye brushes. So LR222, it just says Kabuki. This, what I would use this for would be to like blend out like concealer that I use as primer when I'm doing my eyes. And then this just says shadow. This could be for all over the lid or to highlight the brow bone. And then tapered blending. Okay, yeah, that is a really like tapered blending brush. Like if you're trying maybe doing a cut crease or you just want the color to be really precise. These brushes are super soft. They feel very sturdy too. Alright, and then the last product is this Dominique Cosmetics. It just says eyeshadow palette. It doesn't say what it's called. Okay, these are all matte shadows. The colors are actually really pretty. Like, especially this one right here, like this mustardy brown, and then this like periwinkle blue. They're really pretty, but they're all colors that I feel like I already have in my collection, and I'm not the biggest fan of all matte looks. So, and then I did get an add-on. I got probably what I'm most excited for, something I picked out myself, the Violet Voss Berry Burst eyeshadow palette. I have never tried Violet Voss eyeshadows. Ah! The nail tried to come off, but the glue was too strong. Oh, my goodness. Okay. Ow, that really hurt. It's pretty. Oh, that's really creamy. Okay. It's a pretty gold. It's Got some nice neutral peaches and browns. Yep, so that's the product that I'm most excited for out of my Ipsy Plus. Yeah, that's disappointing. I mean, the brushes are freaking awesome. I'm really excited to try that foundation brush. I mean, that lip crayon, that's a really pretty color. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I'm actually like more excited about the regular Ipsy than my Ipsy Plus, which is not the way it should be. Ah, how adorable this is. One of my brush cleaners, and this is in Sweet Peach. Alright guys, so those were my Ipsy boxes for the month of February. Let me know what you got in your Ipsy. Let me know what you think of mine. And happy Valentine's Day to everyone. Whether you are single or with someone, loving yourself is, in your relationship with yourself, is the most important one in your life. So don't forget about that one. And treat yourself. Alright guys, I love you. I will see you in my next video. Bye.